In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a collage in Pixlr E quickly and easily so you can soften specific parts of your design without affecting the rest of your image. Whether you're working on a photo collage, a template, or a graphic layout, this is a simple editing trick that can make your design look cleaner, more polished, and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Pixlr and editing tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E and load the image or existing template layout you want to edit. You can start from a saved collage project or import a new image directly into the editor. Once your file is open, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all the different parts of your collage are listed, and it's important because you need to select the exact layer you want to blur. Click the specific collage layer you want to edit so it becomes active. If you don't select the correct layer, the blur effect may apply to the wrong part of your design, so take a moment to make sure you've got the right one highlighted. Next, check whether the layer is locked. If you see a lock icon, click it to unlock the layer before making any changes. Locked layers can prevent edits from applying properly, so this is an important step if the blur option doesn't seem to work at first. Once the layer is selected and unlocked, go to the top menu bar and click Filter. From the drop-down menu, hover over Details, then click Gaussian Blur. This is the tool that lets you soften the selected collage element with adjustable blur strength. After that, you'll see the Gaussian blur settings appear, including an amount slider. Drag the slider left or right depending on how strong you want the blur to be. A lower amount gives you a subtle softening effect, while a higher amount creates a much stronger blur. Adjust it until the collage looks the way you want. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview so you can fine-tune the look before committing it. When you're happy with the blur intensity, click Apply to finalize the effect. Pixlr will process the filter and lock in your changes to that layer. At this point, your collage should now have the blurred look you wanted, while the rest of the design stays intact. If you want to blur additional collage layers, just repeat the same process for each one individually. That gives you a lot of control, especially if you only want certain sections softened for privacy, style, or visual emphasis. And that's it. You've now blurred a collage in Pixlr E using the Gaussian Blur filter. It's a quick technique, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your design. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.